Good morning. Today I want to talk about why we started OpenBOM and what is the foundation of OpenBOM vision and strategy. So three things that I want to talk about. The first is how companies and teams are working together. Second, the technology and architecture of PLM systems. And third is intelligence. So let's start from the first, how people and companies are working together. In the past, a company was in a single location and engineers were sitting in one office. Not anymore, right? So companies are located in multiple places, contractors, suppliers, companies are hiring engineers, work in different locations. How people can work together? To exchange information, you end up with Excels sent by email. You cannot find those Excels, you don't know where is the updated information, who updated it, when and how. It's all total informational mess. So OpenBOM is designed to solve this problem. So you can communicate easy, you're always on the same bill of materials, on the same piece of information, you know who changed what and when. It's all available, it's a different type of system. You can communicate easy, you will forget about your messy Excel files. The second thing is actually technology and how to make it happen. So it's a lot about data management. It's a lot about cloud technologies. Most of existing PLM systems on the market is a database for a company. So single version of truth. By the way, single version of truth is a great idea, but here's the thing, single version of truth is distributed these days. It doesn't sit in a single database. It's in a multiple database and multiple companies. It's in a multiple teams. So how to make it work together? What technology can help to these companies to manage this information in the way so I will own this, my information in my company, but at the same time the companies will be able to work together. So all this data management things is the foundation of OpenBOM, multi-tenant data management technologies, and I will talk about this in my next videos. The last and also very important is about information intelligence. Oh, we like smart systems, right? So we like systems to help us, to choose the right price on Amazon. We do it all the time, and to navigate and avoid traffic on the streets. That's also a great thing that we like. But now let's apply these ideas to manufacturing company. How can I decide from whom I can buy? And what is the reliable source of the parts and what is the reliable source of services? Not very easy, right? So how can I make informative decision based on the information and based on different customer experience? We speak about Internet of Things and connected technologies, but how to bring all this intelligence together, how to make it really work. That's another thing that we are developing at OpenBOM. So altogether, this is the foundation for vision and strategy for OpenBOM as a distributed network system for manufacturing companies to facilitate their processes and help them to work together and use the power of information intelligence. So that's the foundation of OpenBOM, and I will talk about many of these things in my next videos. And for the moment, that's it for today, and have a good day. Talk later.